Ferns are fantastic for our climates here in Louisiana. These beautiful foliage plants are tropical. They love that humidity and warm temperatures, and they come in so many different forms, like this button fern. How cute is that? And we've got this beautiful variegated ribbon fern, and of course, who can forget about Boston ferns? You see these all across the Gulf states. They adorn so many beautiful patios and bring that beautiful green foliage. We also have that macho fern, much bigger, so a lot larger, but loves the same conditions. And then we have these more upright ferns, like these sword ferns you see here. So lots of different choices. I've barely scratched the surface of the different types of ferns that there are. These love, again, humidity. They do not want direct sunlight. You want to put these on a patio where they're just getting filtered or indirect sun. You can prune them if you like. If you see dead fronds, you can go ahead and remove those. If they get overgrown, you can split these or put these into larger pots. But this brings a lot of texture and some beauty to your patios and indoors. Fertilize during their growth season in the spring and the summertime with a liquid fertilizer, but enjoy these fantastic ferns. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.